and we are holding this is the last day of the session, last meeting of complete session hall. अगला session 3 महीने का होगा, ज्ञान का होगा. So I just request you kindly be attentive. I just start with certain things. This meeting is mostly I would like to know from all of you. They are we ready for from 2nd April onwards? We are ready. Because if I just speak about senior classes, allocation of duties have been done, timetable has been done, class leadership given, class attendance register given and given, classrooms kept neat and ready. Everything. Then comes working. And we have tried to see that at least our lobby area is right. So we have done that. Similarly for primary, everything is ready. Even including house masters and house activities, everything is ready. Mr. Marpan and our Vice Principal Ma'am, they have also worked on institutional planning. That is also ready. So I think all of us are ready to start on 2nd April. This is a feeling which you have to convey to the students, to the parents, that we are ready right from the first day. This is very important. First day, I don't think you require the introduction or weeks and weeks or some big celebration. If you would like to talk to students, it's a good thing you talk to them, make them comfortable. And I think if you further start teaching, I'll be thankful. Instructions you have to give, over from the ego to everything, everybody knows it. But at least if you teach for 5 to 10 minutes, the message will go that they have started teaching. And you will be happy that we have appointed contractual teachers right from first day. So load will not be there. All these contractual teachers are coming. Who is in charge of timetable in primary? वो टीचर आपको रिपोर्ट करेंगे उनके टाइम टेबल का क्या है ना उनको टाइम टेबल दे दीजिएगा, क्लासेस दिखा दीजिए और इंट्रोडक्शन करवाना तो करवा दीजिए, सीनियर टीचर करवा देंगे. मॉर्निंग असेंबली में भी दे आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग देमसेल्व्स. सिमिलरली फॉर सीनियर टीचर्स सिखाने में आपने भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया ना, कईयों को आपका टाइम टेबल दे दिया है, कईयों का टाइम टेबल आपके पास है, तो आप दे दीजिए फर्स्ट, है ना. तो हर क्लास के अंदर परसों से ट्राई हो रही है. And that is, I think that is the biggest achievement. If we give a feeling to the children, and we are ready, and the parents also will get a feeling that the school has started in a well planned way. That is very important. So what I feel that I should thank all of you, all the teachers who are involved in all duties, the conduct of examination, all teachers including Mr. Dinesh, timetable, Shirade Madam and her team, and then HR Madam and her team, Vice Principal Madam and her team, and all of you. Last session, I'll start with the first point. So just I wanted to take confirmation from you that we can now start work from 2nd April. First thing, what to do about the year 2011. So, this is, whatever I am telling you is for your betterment. That all of you know that we call introspection. Firstly, you should introspect your achievements, your weaknesses, your success, your failure. Because nobody can say that I was successful in achieving all my aims and objectives. Somewhere something must have happened. Somewhere you might have not attended some course training. Why that happened? Check out and then be over there. Why your results were not very good? If you have said I will give 100%, if results are not 100%, something must have happened. So this is what you want to do. This is my request to all the conveners. So I will give them a format now. I have devised a format for each one of them. So I should come to know what are their personal achievements and what are the areas where they feel their improvement is not up to the expected level, up to the very high. Plus their personal achievement. Your achievement, students' achievement is your achievement. Is it okay? And your achievement is my achievement. So I will assess my achievement as a principal after I see your achievement. Then I can say yes. So there is something now I also think that I should share this much of contribution in the proper learning or success of the school. So I will give you a format. I will be requesting you to write that. You may get after 2, 3, 4, 5 days. It's not for writing in your APA. It's not for writing in your ACR or anywhere. It's just to make you feel have you grown professionally. If Sir John, I ask you, how much percentage you feel you have grown professionally? Percentage, increase in percentage in your professional life. कितना प्रतिशत आपको लगता है आप शिक्षिका के तौर पे कितने प्रतिशत एक साल हो गया उस एक साल में कितने प्रतिशत आप खुद को ऐड करते हैं बड़े अच्छा you feel that but why you don't have 60? This is what I say. If you say 60, it's an example. If you say 60, so something where 40 you have either you don't want to overrate yourself or underrate yourself. But then what I request you, even I don't rate myself 100, there is no question. There is no question. Even if I don't underrate if I rate myself at 90, then where are those? What are those 10% drawbacks? If I rate myself 80, what are those? And then each one of you should feel that if you have rated last year yourself at 60 like Shraddha, then plus that is this year is a very good thing. So 70 next year you check again. That is introspection. If you do it properly, then you will feel very happy to be a teacher. You will feel because you will be motivated by your achievement, and it is only you can motivate yourself. You will feel that the world is totally different for you. Your outlook will change. Your vision will change totally. You will feel that really I have done something to today. That feeling has to come. This is very important. So I request you to kindly introspect your achievement, your weak area, and for this which I give for. Second, now as a collective, this is individual, as a teacher, collective group considered. All of you are associated with one or the other subject committee. So kindly, as a convener, tell him and you must write down this. That total, I would like to take an assessment process convener. Sir, in mathematics, last time we write it, that there will be 100% in 10, with 90% getting over 60% or over 50%, 10% getting over 90%. Something like you have to set the goal this time also. If you do not set the goal, then you do not know what you have to do. Why I tell you? If you set a goal, then there is a direct place from your place where you have to move. You have not to move zigzag. If you don't set, then you do not know what you have to do. Setting goals right in the beginning is very important. So I request each one of you, kindly set your personal goals as a teacher, how you should grow professionally, and also your academic goals. What do you want students to learn? If you would like Kavita Chopra would like to most of your children to speak in English, then what effort would you like to do? I will tell you one thing. Why I am saying this to you? Because all of you are teachers. Everything is in your brain, but once you don't write it, everything gets mixed up. You have got so much in your brain, everything is in your brain. Then when it gets mixed up, that is the big problem. You have to take out those steps, you have to take out one by one and check. That is what I say. If you have to plan, then you should plan on a proper way. You should set your objectives for next year, and also you should introspect your achievement in relation to the objectives set last year. If you have not written your objectives last year, no problem. But everything is in your mind. Everything is in your mind. So I request you to give it a thought. Why? Because I would like you to enjoy being a teacher. I don't know whether you subscribe to my view or not. They say a nation cannot be greater than the teacher the nation has. They have not spoken about any other department, doctors, engineers, army or nothing, teachers there. This is a very big thing. I would like to motivate you. You must feel that you are the privileged class. Now highly paid. High class responsibility. High class responsibility. High class business. You have to be top. You have to be top. Not compromise is 60% plus, 70% even is plus for you, 80, 90. Why not 95%? Last year I recommended the names of maximum teachers I thought for the award. And I am happy that we got so many awards for our teachers last year. So many awards. I didn't get so many awards for my teachers. Entire tenureship of my principalship of about 93 onwards in students. It was a bundle of awards. Because I felt you people have worked, you should be recognized by everybody who is outside, by everybody who is associated with our department, by your own fellows, by the parents, by the students. So keep that in your mind. I will be here something more. Show some extraordinary work and I will put your name for next year. There is no one. I can give a presentation to that. Kindly see, if you see, there is no harm. So, assessment, your collectives are like subject committee, Bharatpanji, or subject committee conveners, Bharatpanji, Ganpati, we might assess in a group, in your subject, your achievements, whatever planning you want to done, activities and everything. This is the second part which you have. So, these two things are, so if you plan, set the goal for next session, I think will be, this is for growth of your professional. Kindly give it a serious thought. I also come to school. I know what I am doing. Even if nobody tells me, I know what to do. But I think over that if I do this thing, will it be better, or if I do this thing, it will be better. Similarly, people can also think. And then see the change. Who is going to appreciate you? Yourself. That is very easy. I don't think how many of you have felt the joyous feeling of getting appreciation by yourself. It is very big. People appreciate you also if you are happy for some time. But if you feel you can be appreciated by yourself only by yourself if you have done something really and you have relevant and you let the others do not know. But a time will come and the people will also know. So that certainly you should have. So now I'll come to what we are expected to do. Examination is over. Nilesh, yes, it is. It's going on okay. Yes. So thank you very much for looking after examination. We have to give back again examination. The reward of good work is more work. ये मैंने नहीं कहा। हमने भी जब काम किया जाता था, तो हम लोग भी मुंह पे तो नहीं बोलते थे, but we used also to my gesture, my body language, saying the work given is extra. Then our principal used to say, is there a reward of good work? So kindly keep this in your mind. Sometimes you will be feeling, why I am given, why I am given, why he is not given. Not think that. You should never think that. That thinking will be done by people who are able. And not compare given to me, who could solely it is not so negative. Maybe there are so many people. So if there are committees which have been made for this session, the list will be given to you. ये last year का है, उसको modify करके इस साल का एक बन चुका है. और this committee is there and tomorrow we give. मैं इस पर नाम भी बता देता हूँ. What? I think we have covered each and everything in this committee, each and everything. And this is my request to our honorable Vice Principal. Her duties, I have reminded her that in education code, she is expected to do this. She knows it. Last year she knew it. But still I have written here. Still nothing more reminding them back that these are the expectations of teachers. Similarly, we have tried to put most of you, I don't think any teacher has been left here. So kindly go to this, the allocation of duty teachers. Admissions are going on. House activities we have done, subject committees. We have to follow the schedule of subject committee as has been decided by the Regional Academic Advisory Committee. So you know the dates. Kindly, those are the dates on which you have to conduct essentially. All the dates, whenever there is an urgency, something like that, you can take. Yesterday I requested conveners to give me the names of teachers, innovation and experimentation, because when last time I had spoken to you in all of this, that we must identify, these are the orders of conditions to identify teachers in the beginning of the session with the topic, teachers and the topic, and give them full scope by the principal and the system, so that they do action research in that. So for experimental and innovation, those names have come to me, I am very happy. There are a good number of very senior teachers are involved. Mathematics, Marupal sir and Sophie madam, where is Sophie madam? Kindly give me a topic madam after within 20 days. And you see, if you had an extra award, I think you send it. Because you get this. Marupal sir, you also. Last time he was and if you feel that you are having a burden, then I don't know. It's going to help you as a mathematics. I think, similarly for science, Shigare madam, you have left your name, but I think you action research, I tell you, if I take up any problem related to your subject, you must have heard why biology is not, why the result is biology, why the students do not write particular chapter, why practicals are not proper, so many things are there. Then you identify where you want to work. After this, you have to take the feedback from the students and the teachers by so many methods. One is issuing them questions. Do you like practicals? Do you find sufficient preparedness in the lab? Like this. Do you want assistance of a lab assistant? Or do you want teachers to, something you can devise questions, give to students, take this back, analyze results. And your, similarly to the parents, you can give your teachers faculty members. Similarly for primary, similarly for math, your department. And I think if you go on the website, experimental innovation of NCERT, CBSE, and foreign countries, Indian university, you find so many topics where you can go. So I request all of you, this April, 20th April, by that time we finally identify the problem. You want to work upon that. And I assure you, if you all is good, I will make a booklet and send to you. That these 10 papers are from my students. Then I did not write anything. If 10 people or 10 persons write something. So these are the names which I got from the conveners. All the teachers are also invited. Because some of the teachers had not written their name. I wanted them to be there. Shigare madam, MBBS Lakshmi, and even Rajesh can do it. आपको लखनऊ में सबसे छोटी मैंने लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा आप ही करते हैं, क्योंकि आप सबसे फ्रेश हो, आपने एमएससी सबके पार में की, आपकी नॉलेज जो है, आप लोगों की नॉलेज है ज़्यादा, इसलिए यू शुड ऑल्सो थिंक अबाउट दैट। सिमिलरली मैथमेटिक्स में आप दो ही हो ना, तो भी मैम मैंने बात की। देन सोशल साइंस उषा बादल मैडम, विजय डी मैडम, मिस्टर दिनेश जी एंड श्रद्धा चौहान, संजय कुमार। देखिए बीच टॉपिक सही करिए, कोई बात नहीं, तो जरा टॉपिक तो दे दो, बार बार टॉपिक ही दे दो, मैं कम से कम टॉपिक पे बुक निकाल देता हूँ। Because last year we received a letter from the commissioner that this is totally neglected, and they have instructed that principal should instruct conveners in their first meeting. This is not our first meeting. This is our last meeting of previous session. So we are telling it in advance to kindly do that in next year.
So last year, what we have said last month,
that is nothing has come. It still has gone. I don't know there is a reason around those. They should do it. Similarly, for social and English, Sangeeta madam, Awara ji, who are other members? Kavita madam. Kavita madam, yes. So I expect each one of you to identify a problem, further or topic, subtopic, and then give me topic by 20th April. I am very happy that you are really thinking correctly and you have taken this seriously. Similarly, Hindi, Pandey ji, आपसे निवेदन है, आपसे ही प्लानिंग और आपके अनुपम पांडे मैडम और कौन है आपके श्रद्धा, वेरी गुड श्रद्धा और बस यही है मुझसे कभी आप अगर if you remember the last time what we have done, some of you were there when the primary teachers have come in my room. In half an hour we wrote a poem which you याद है आपको? एक लाइन पे सबने लाइन आपने देखा, एक लाइन झूठी गई, so you people can do that. But I think not properly motivated. This is what commissioners say. They are not motivated to take. So do it carries an award at regional level, national level, NCERT level. So this was one of very important topics which I wanted to say. So I request all of you, including these names, plus more if you feel. Primary I have not taught. Primary teachers can sit. At least every primary teacher should take it. What is it? सभी को ला दे तो कम से कम 5 टॉपिक हमें दिला दीजिए, 5 आप ग्रुप पे कर लीजिएगा कोई प्रॉब्लम, प्राइमरी में हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इंडिविजुअल मत करिए, जैसे इधर स्पेशलाइज है 11th क्लास के मैथमेटिक्स में ये ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं तो भी मैडम क्या है, बट दैट प्राइमरी में यू फॉर्म ए ग्रुप मैथ, हु इज नोटिंग द मिनट्स, यू आर नोटिंग द मिनट्स. For next session entire, I am there or not, you will note the minutes. Entire session. I will ask from there only in August, meeting me who noted the minutes. And then to the principal, he was expected to note. So automatically you should. You are from English. And Sangeeta madam is also there. Since Sangeeta madam has joined KVA, she will slowly pick up. So you should note down. So this is, it primarily we like a group of teachers who take up this project. So now I will move to the next point. Change of timing in the school. All of you have been instructed by commissioner. Then I have also issued a notice. Then I have requested conveners. इनको दोबारा बोलिए. Morning assembly में भी आपको बोला होगा. Change of timing, it involves half an hour early and 1 hour and 20 minutes later. If you remember, I was giving you attendance register after 5. Why? Because you cannot move with a single hour. You cannot move. Child should not see you moving ahead of you. Only it's a matter of 5 minutes. KVS has made it 140 minutes. मैंने 5 मिनट किया था. KVS ने 1 घंटा 20 मिनट रखा हुआ है और इसमें लिख के दिया है कि बच्चे इसमें आप प्लान भी करोगे और इवेलुएट भी करोगे और बच्चे भी देखोगे ठीक ठाक गए कि नहीं. मुझे आपने देखा क्या 1 घंटे 20 मिनट में. तो परसों से आप लोगों को विद्यालय में जल्दी आई मत भी terrific thing because you should know, you should not make a very, you make 2 sessions of that. One in 20 minutes time, one you can have. हाँ क्लास में आपको खाना ही पड़ेगा ना, आपको 2 लाने पड़ेंगे.
मैंने देखा ना लंच बॉक्सेस.
बिल्कुल. हम लोग वर्किंग क्लास इसीलिए कहते हैं कि इज नॉट ए लंच. जब बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी वाला टेबल पर बैठ के पूरा लगा हुआ वो नहीं है. वर्किंग लंच है घर का. ऊपर अपना लोग कहीं भी जाओ और काम करो. So it's taking time. So I don't know. Maybe some people are not happy. Maybe there are some, but I do not know anything about that. We have not received any amendment. So this will be imposed from day after tomorrow. So 7:30 assembly time. Morning assembly 7:32. This is my request. This is my request to all of you students mindset. Because we drive very well. Very well. Aaphi हमारे भी ladies हो. कोई का मैडम मिलते हैं. कभी मैक्सिमम हमारे वहाँ से आते हैं. अंदर भी है. You apply for a contract, we will give you. Apply for it. We will give you. बोलिए अभी हमारे पास सफाई हो रही है, हमको 2 क्वार्टर कट्टे देंगे. आप अप्लाई करो. और अप्लाई करो. आज मैं चेयरमैन को लिखता हूँ आपको टाइम. Between Tuesday and you get a quarter. You just apply. Because this is what I say. If you choose to stay outside, then you have to timing. It's not possible. If the children are there, you have to be here. If the children are not there, you are not there. It's okay. But when the children are here, who will you talk to? So you have to be here. This is my request. And this is my request to all of you. My request to all teachers who are staying outside to reach the school by 7:35. Driving comfortably, coming without any rise in blood pressure, any grievances, any murmuring against anybody. You want to know that I don't know what you do. केवल तुम्हारी वीडियो है. So these are the things which have been decided at the highest level. It cannot be changed. If it will be changed, there are the people who will get the representation, the intermediaries of teachers, intermediaries of the students. They will think and they will change. But I am telling you what we are going to do from second. Similarly, my request to people who are staying in Delhi kindly be with us right from 7:25 to 3 o'clock. अंदर जो रहते हैं उसको समझ. मैंने जो तार नहीं लगाई तो दीवार ही खड़ी है स्कूल होगा. This is all law or other imaginary tactics. So those these are lost of people. I need to check. Including leaving children after 1:40 hours, big problem. Small kids here, madam here or a sir here, worried about 2 children. They want this. That all arrangements have to be done. And so we are now, so we are doing. I don't. So I have told him kindly be with me, with the children, the school from 7:30, 100% to 3 o'clock. After we not ask. We have never asked you after 3 o'clock. We never asked you to go 7:20, But we ask you for 7:30 this is my request for all. I tell you why. Because sometimes your habits may grow in such a way that to change these habits, you have to compromise. You cannot do it. Somebody else may not accept. So finally do according to what system asks. He will be here with the teacher. If you want hot giving for food, we give you very much. I have completed my career. 3 months are left. You have to do things. That's I don't want you to go. Expectations of children is very. And I also see if they have done something, it is in the interest of the system, including the students. But then to digest this becomes very difficult. You can do it, except because we have not accepted. Firstly, you have to accept from here. When your mind accepts, everything will be over. And your movement will be under your control. You can come at right hand, go at right hand, come without tension, go without tension. So change of time, including change of period. Change of period. So all, I think, all conveners might have told you the distribution of period. If you do not know that, you can talk to Shirare Valley. Everybody can see what are the changes in the period. Duration of period has also increased. And there are so many other changes. Ajay sir, आप जरा बताइए कितने बजे आना है कितने बजे आना है? हाँ बता बताइए.
7:25 को फर्स्ट बेल होगी. उसके बाद असेंबली 7:30 पे स्टार्ट होगी. 7:50
Assembly is ready.
20 minutes.
Just this, the moment the schools are in order, you will take over. This will problem is this and studying Mike, Pulvesi, and all your teams will be ready. Then you take over and start with it.
फर्स्ट पीरियड स्टार्ट होगा 7:50 पे, सेकंड 8:35 पे, थर्ड 9:15 पे, फोर्थ पीरियड 9:55 and from 9:55 lunch break 10:35. Lunch break 10:35 to 10:55. आपका फिफ्थ पीरियड शुरू होगा अपना 10:55 पे. सिक्स पीरियड 11:40, सेवन पीरियड 12:20, एट पीरियड 1 o'clock और लास्ट बेल है 1:40. ये टाइम टेबल मैंने वहाँ पे भी लगाया है.
Last brother 140, 60.
स्टूडेंट्स
We'll put the bell also. So that you are happy, very eager. You put the bell. We have to put the bell. We have to officially announce school is over 3 o'clock. Please. We'll put a bell. Big bell of the political say. Bell, final bell 3 o'clock. They do कोई bell नहीं बजाया हुआ. Now what you are supposed to do after 1 hour and 20 minutes? Kindly decide in your minutes. What you are doing. Does it require planning? Does it require evaluation? Does it require experimental innovation? Sitting on computer, I don't. But I would like to get feedback from you. Sir, 1 hour 20 minutes, I would like to do this thing. So we'll permit it. Provided you are in time to be. So kindly bear with everybody. The change in timing, the increase in timing, the increase, the workload. Workload has increased from down. CCD की वजह से बढ़ गया है. और ये 1 घंटा 20 मिनट में आप गप्पे को नहीं मार सकते. You have to do something. So automatically your work will increase. Workload has increased.
our workload increase the because they are not studying at all the
So that you do research. This is what I mean. You take this experimental innovation that despite the workload of teachers, responsibilities, why give that questionnaire to students, parents, teachers, take analyze vulnerability. Because when you think, you will think one reason, you will think another reason, you will think another reason. You will get the idea and your research paper is ready. These are the
ज़्यादा पढ़ाई होती है।